so it's going.
Alright, so I'm about to enter the freezer in the storehouse.
Bow, 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 bum, 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 bum. Holy chili.
It's really cold in here. Look at this, look at this. Look at it entering out into the old sea. Ground slippery. It's flipping cold.
Don't you dare! Dun, 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 dun.
I mean, now it's really cold.
And now we wait. Which one of us will last longer?
Which one's gonna be the cannibal? Okay. I pick release.
I don't feel anything now, so I think I'm good.
Oh my gosh.
What just happened?